that makes permanent black oxide. Holy shit.
Put a bit of mobile stain and a bit of dirt on my hands, so it's good to go. That's awesome.
Sticker on my hands, for those that use it, it's an absolute nightmare to get off. Pretty well all off my hands.
Actually, I think it works pretty well.
Quite dirty. Look at that. Beautiful.
Powder, which is all natural cleaner. As you can see how dirty my hands are. Look at that.